Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys what you guys can do if you don't have the template button and if you don't have TikTok either. So you can actually use Google, but you can't really search the templates up, but this is the only way that I found useful. So just go to Safari or Chrome or what, like wherever, and search up CapCut templates. Oops. Here, and just select it. I'm just going to wait for it to load. If this would just load. My internet's really not working, and my SIM card isn't being detected. Okay, then here you can select the first one. You can try searching up in Google, CapCut template, friendship maybe, and then it will show stuff like best friends. You're just going to select it, and you're just going to select open CapCut, open, and hopefully you will be redirected to this template tab, and you can just select any template you want to use, and you're just going to select use template and just add in some pictures. I have a tutorial on that in this channel if you don't know how to use templates, but that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!